Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account on My Lead Gen Secrets simply because most people will only use one account. Now people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, usually around 5, some around 10, but we only going to use one account. Alright guys, we're only going to use one account to show you this can work with minimal effort, you know what I mean? So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and we'll get started right here now. So the reason why I like promoting this product, and I gotta make sure you guys understand this, and it's an amazing feature that really kind of sold me on this product, and that's its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is not over, but is 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions is insane, guys. Let me tell you how insane that is. If you were to tell me before I seen this product, excuse me, before I seen this product, 45% commissions or 40% commissions, I would have been like, that's really good. 40% commissions is considered really good. 40% commissions, what I mean is 40% recurring commissions is insanely good. 80% is unheard of, guys. It's insane. It's an insane deal. If you have the product, you only need 2 people in it to make profit. That's insanity. You get 20 from every $25 every month. That's crazy. And there are other products as well. One that promotes, it's $125. You'll get $100 out of that. So you can get $120 off of each person every single month. That's insane, guys. You gotta promote this product. Alright? This is the best affiliate marketing program, period. Period, guys. 2023, 2024, whatever. It's impossible to be higher than 80%. That's what I believe. Alright guys, so anyway guys, let's look at our results. We're going to refresh the page to show real results because it's very easy to fake results, but we're going to do that. Alright, now as you can see, I did not get a sale, which is totally fine. I made a couple $100 already. Not a big deal, and a lot of my sales come in at the end of the year, so I'm not really worried about that. So end of the month I meant to say. So it's not a big deal, but you have to be able to put up with not getting sales sometimes, and you have to be able to say I'm gonna keep going, you know, because if you stop because you didn't get a certain amount of sales, you're never gonna get anywhere. What you need to do is learn how to promote the product better. Anyway guys, so we're gonna log into My Lead Gen Secrets here. I thought I was already logged in. I forgot to log in. Sorry, I gotta show you this part. Just log in like that once you get the system. Very easy to go through the process. There'll be a link in the description for it. Now we're just gonna click here. We're just gonna go ahead and upload a new email here real quick. That's the income, keeps on building, boom boom. That's all we're gonna do. The email right there, that's the link right there we're going to use. And the link you want to use, guys, once you're in the system, is the all-in-one $25 business right here. It's going to handhold you through the system, guys. It's not very complicated to get you through once you buy the product. It's videos for absolutely everything, so shows you exactly how to do everything. So anyway, once you get that link, you put it in right here, guys, and that's all there is to it. You make sure you hit perfect timing. Excuse me. Perfect timing does send an email around time people check emails. It's a cool feature there. You preview it and make sure your link works. I know mine works, you know what I mean? But because I sent this email before, and then you send an email. Now, essentially, for you guys, that's gonna go through a whole lot faster. In fact, you won't even. All you need to do is just come here, do this, load in the email, boom, boom. Once you got a bunch of emails in the system, just load in the email, boom, boom, boom. And that's all it takes, and you're done. You're absolutely done. And that's all it takes, guys. Very simple. Now, like I stated before, the links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.